48% of businesses fail within the first 3 years, according to US data. Let's face it, most businesses are risky. They take years to build, and almost half of them will go under before they ever get it off the ground. About 6 years ago, after my latest online business failed miserably and I lost my life savings, I decided in that moment, I'm done chasing complicated businesses. That's when I chose to move to a new state where I didn't know anyone, and I started my second service-based business. Now fast forward just 3 months after that, I was closing $5,000 per month customers pretty routinely. More on that in a minute. My name is Mike Mack, and my wife and I have scaled and automated 2 service-based businesses over the last decade. Now we help family-driven entrepreneurs do the same without breaking the bank or reinventing the wheel. Now, if you've been wondering, how do you start a profitable business that is both reliable and low risk, aka a safe bet, then you are in the right place. Now here's the thing. There are a ton of businesses out there that you can start, and they all have their pros and their cons. But if you're watching a video like this, then you're looking for a sure thing. Now, why are some businesses so risky and others seem kind of fail-proof? Well, it all comes down to 2 words: luxury and need. Some products and services are nice to have, and others are essential to our day-to-day lives. In this video, I'm sharing 5 service businesses that pay great and your customers won't be able to live without. Now, these aren't random ideas. I'm gonna show you why these businesses work, how much you can earn, and how you can get started. By the end of this video, you'll see why these 5 service businesses will thrive no matter the economy. I'll share a few strategies that help me scale and automate my latest service business. I hope you're ready. Buckle up, because we're diving in. Now let's kick things off with home maintenance and repair. This is one of those businesses that will never go out of style. Why? Because things always break. Pipes burst, outlets fail, and walls get holes, especially if you have kids. Life happens. And when it does, people are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can fix it fast. Now, here's a stat for you. Handymen and repair specialists earn anywhere between 50 to 150 per hour. If you're wondering, oh, this sounds good, but what if I don't know how to fix things? Don't sweat it. With a few tools, some liability insurance, and some YouTube tutorials, you can start small and learn as you go. What about startup costs? Well, that's as low as $500 for some basic tools and insurance. Now, if you want to specialize like in plumbing or electrical work, you might need $2,000 to $5,000, but it's still worth it. The reason why is these specialized trades charge even higher rates and they get booked out for weeks. So why is it fail-proof though? Well, because when something breaks in someone's home, it has to be fixed, non-negotiable. Most people don't have the tools, knowledge, or the time to do it themselves. That's where you would come in. The demand is constant, and if you build your reputation for reliability, your phone will never stop ringing. Now, this second business hits close to home, because I've spent the last decade building and scaling 2 of these businesses. And let me tell you, this is an absolute goldmine. Office cleaning services. In 2023, the US contract cleaning service market was worth over $95 billion, and it's only going up from there. Now that may sound crazy to you, but here's the thing. Businesses have to stay clean. Whether it's general offices, retail stores, schools, gyms, medical facilities, or even warehouses. Cleanliness, it's not optional. That's why commercial cleaning is so lucrative. Companies will continue to pay every single month to keep their spaces spotless. Yeah, but cleaning, Mike? How much are these businesses paying for cleaning? Well, let's break down the numbers. A small office contract can bring in anywhere between $1,000 and $3,000 per month. Medium-sized spaces can go from anywhere between $3,000 to $10,000 per month, and even larger contracts go well beyond $10,000 a month. Do I have your attention now? But seriously, the best part, all they're looking for is general level cleaning, nothing fancy. These contracts are long-term, so you'll have steady, predictable income for years with each new location you sign up. Now, let's talk starting cost. Those are gonna be low, anywhere between $500 to $1,000 $100 for some supplies, a good vacuum, and some marketing material. Plus, liability insurance for this kind of business costs less than $500 per year. Now, you don't need any licenses, permits, you don't need trucks, or even an office. Oh, and if that weren't interesting enough, you never have to do any of the cleaning yourself. So, it's profitable, it's simple, it's scalable. But you may be wondering, what makes this business fail-proof? Well, it's simple. A clean office is non-negotiable. No matter the cause, businesses will always need cleaning services. And it's not just about hygiene either. The cleanliness of their office directly affects their reputation. So, a dirty office could literally kill their earning potential. And if you're interested in this type of business, check out my channel because I make never-ending amounts of videos about how to get started. All right, now let's switch gears to something that's about numbers, accounting and tax preparation. Now, I know this one does not sound as exciting as cleaning, but here's the thing. It's one of the most reliable and steady businesses that you can start. Here's why. The average small business spends over $10,000 a year on taxes. Most people would rather pay someone else to handle their taxes than deal with the stress and confusion themselves. And that's where you would come in, offering a service that they need every single year. Freelance accountants make anywhere between $25 and $75 an hour, and tax preparers can charge upwards of $300 to $600 per return. Imagine if you just did 5 tax returns per week during the season. That's upwards of $3,000 a week. And guess what? You don't need to be a CPA either to start. With tools like QuickBooks and Xero, you can start small with basic bookkeeping services to business and individuals, and as you gain experience, you can grow your skills. Then you can offer higher ticket services like tax prep, financial reports, or payroll management. So what about startup costs? Seems like anywhere between $1,000 to $2,500 for a decent laptop, accounting software, and maybe an online course or even certification. I mean, that's a small investment for a business that can bring you thousands every month. Taxes are mandatory. No matter what happens in the economy, people and businesses have to file them. That means you'll always have a steady stream of potential clients. Do a good job, and these clients will keep coming back to you year after year, building a long-term relationship and, of course, consistent income. It's a business that's built on trust, reliability, and a guarantee that tax season never goes away. Now let's talk about a business that combines convenience and necessity. Laundry and dry cleaning, pickup, delivery. Now this may seem like a luxury at first, but the right type of clients, busy professionals, parents, seniors, this is a non-negotiable. Think about it for a sec. Everyone needs clean clothes, but not everyone has the time or energy to handle it themselves. Whether it's managing work schedules or family responsibilities or mobility challenges, many people are willing to pay for the convenience of having their laundry picked up and delivered. Okay, so how does this one work? Well, at the lower end, you can charge $1 or $3 per pound of laundry for wash and fold services, or $5 to $15 for garment and dry cleaning pickup and delivery. With just 20 regular clients a week, you could easily bring in $1,000 to $2,000 in revenue. Now, how do you get this thing started? Well, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is set up like a reliable system. I mean, all you need is a vehicle, some laundry bags, and a way to track your orders. You'll pick up the laundry, drop it off to the laundromat or dry cleaner, and then deliver it back clean and ready to go. You'll probably want to start by building a schedule so you can offer convenient pickup and delivery slots, especially evenings and weekends, to match your clients' busy lives. Startup costs it's really low barrier of entry. You need anywhere between $500 to $2,000. Plus, you'll need some marketing material like some flyers and some online ads. Okay, but what makes it fail-proof? Well, this business taps into the growing demand for time-saving services. People always need clean clothes, and for your ideal clients, this is a service that they cannot live without. So if you're reliable, efficient, and offer great customer service, clients are gonna keep coming back to you. Plus, word-of-mouth referrals can quickly grow your business into steady, fail-proof source of income. This business is built on consistency, trust, and meeting a need that never goes away. Okay, last but certainly not least, pet care and grooming. If you're an animal lover, then this is a dream business. And here's a fun fact. The pet industry is worth over $100 billion globally. People treat their pets like family, and they're willing to spend big on their furry friends. Now let's talk earning potential. There are so many options here. I mean, groomers charge anywhere between $50 to $100 per session. Dog walkers make $25 to $50 a day. Pet sitters and boarders can earn even more during peak vacation season. When it comes to startup costs, I mean, depending on the services you offer, dog walking can start for under $500 for supplies and insurance. Grooming, on the other hand, might require anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 for equipment and training. Now, why this business is impossible to fail? Because pets are essential to their owners. And once you build trust with your clients, they're gonna keep coming back to you. Plus, pet ownership is on the rise and the demand just keeps growing. Now, whether it's grooming, sitting, or boarding, you can start small and then scale up as your reputation grows. Now, as long as you're committed, these businesses will give you the freedom and flexibility you're looking for. But what if you're a busy professional who's short on time? Well, if you want to know how to grow one of these businesses in just a few hours per week to make an extra 5 to 10K per month, then you're going to want to watch this next video right here.